So, this is your casa di Befana. This is buon Befania. These are for breakfast, Pandoro. Pandoro for breakfast. It's Ole, do you? So guys, we start removing our Christmas decor. Buon Befania tutti. Come first. So that is it. Via, 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 via. È finito Natale. So guys, can you see snow? Snow is falling. Nangwa, say hi. Hi. This is first time baby Alex is seeing snow falling. Prochaine modita, c'est cadi di più. Weather is not that cold. See, daddy have covered our car.
Mommy, my grandfather see it.
No, when it's many, we'll go downstairs. Cover your hair, it's cold.
Pick it up.
With hot tea. So guys, right now I'm in my room. We're removing today. I'm done with my Christmas tree, so now I'm removing the one that is in my room also. Oops. So everything is going to garage. This one no, and this no. I'll just clean it because dust is too much. Dust is too much here. No, it's still falling. I want it to fall very well so that we can go downstairs. So that I will take baby Alex downstairs. So this is my window, back of my room. And this is 12 o'clock. Kabbalah. How many years now that snow is not falling in Italy? How many years? Wow. Good afternoon, guys. So let's cook. Lunchtime. So guys, I'll be cooking tagliatelle. with this conditioner, you know. So over here I have my water. I'll be putting this for my video. This one doesn't take time. So for 3 of them. Guys, school have started. Baby Alice, today they are staying till 4. So already made my own food. I cook porridge yam with plantain and dry fish. Look at it here. We'll be finishing today. So when I eat, I will take my medicine. Okay, so that is it. So this is porridge yam, no veggies, you know. It's also bonko. On a befanagum. So I will remain small for honey. Open no butter. Open no chili. So that is it. Come on, join me. So let me cook their food first. Then I'll eat. I'll just add pepper here. Pepper, black pepper. So I have 3 here. So I'll be adding okay. Tagliatelle di nonna Pina. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hooray! So today we are eating tagliatelle. Period. Ready. Tagliatelle with ragu di salsiccia. Come on, join us. So guys, I just did mini shopping. Tomorrow I'll be making meat pie, 20 pieces of meat pie. So I have my macinato, pasta guinea here, pasta gnocchi,
Menti
occhi di lupi. Finina che ngi kuchana. Occhi di lupi, pasta occhi.
Pasta reccia.
Ok. Piadino, tomato paste, preserve, dry one, ginger, paste, and the Nutella for Chidema, because of Chidema candy wear. Okay, for feet, for home. you know, on our soft, okay, very well. Try it. Costa poco. Ya ka fa na esi ike, ndị okwu fa na esi ike na akpọsị nkụ. Ikwe mmadụ na aka akpọsị nkụ. Try and be using soft, and also the serviette for baby Alex, and this is my tissue for my room. Okay, that's it. Period. Mini shopping. So guys, I'm done. So far I have 25 pieces. Thanks for watching. So here I have some meat pie and fish pie. So I'm done. Crunchy or nothing. Nigerian crunchy meat pie. Let me show you the back. Sorry, my hand is clean now.